What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos, all that good stuff. I don't want to waffle any further. Let's get straight into this one. So we've got a pair of Pumas in that boring old red and white Puma box. Soft foam, all that good stuff, but what matters is the label. So this trainer and the colorway is the Graviton Mega, that's the name of the shoe, and then it's Puma White Nimbus Cloud, style code 38587302. The size is UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, centimeters 29, and they are made in China. So this is basically what I like to call triple white Graviton. So as you know, summer season, people like wearing different ones. These are actually mega comfortable, but I'll just run through the colors and everything first. So the sole, we've got that plain white Puma sole. There's really not much to say, it's just plain white standard. Got the Puma logo and the Puma itself. Midsole, again plain white. It does have this off-white type of cream plastic on the back that goes around the heel. It's like a heel gripsage. Then on the back we've got some leather, again in white. Mesh all across the upper around the toe box, and on the other side we've got that leather Puma swoosh, leather at the bottom, leather toe box. Again, we've got leather on the eye stays, and then we've got normal standard flat Puma laces, and then on the tongue it says Puma with the Puma logo. Literally just all white, just a bit of cream. Very good, comfortable, casual summer shoe, if I'm honest. That's why I really like them. They were very cheap, they're around 40 odd pounds, which, you know, you can't ever go wrong when you find a pair of trainers at 40 pounds. But yeah, I don't really have too much to say. As always, reviewing a white shoe is very difficult because it's just like white, 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 white. Same with triple black, you're just like, it's black here, black here, black here. You know, you can't really talk too much about it. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video of these, and I'll also post it separately. Click on that, watch that, likes, thumbs up, same things. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle anymore. Take care, my people.